Hey guys, welcome back to Unlimited Shades of Innovation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any update. So now let's get started. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recycle a Colgate toothpaste box. And I'm going to transform this Colgate toothpaste box into a cute gift box, or you can either use it as a pencil box. So guys, here I have used a Fevistick to stick the Colgate toothpaste box to the color paper. The reason to do this is if we use Fevicol, then it will show up on the color paper because the color paper thickness is very less. But for attaching the pattern paper, I'm using Fevicol because the pattern paper is a little bit thick. So even if we use Fevicol, it won't show up on the paper. So guys, to know about the material that I have used in this project, do check out the description box below. And also I have shared few links where you can purchase these pattern papers online. So guys, this is the final look. You can either use it as a gift box or a pencil box. Do give it a try and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Unlimited Shades of Innovation. Do something creative every day. Take care. Bye-bye.